on board the management of KIMS Hospital, we have Dr. B. Bhaskar Rao, who is the Managing Director, joining us on the show. Very good morning to you, sir. Thank you so much for joining us, Doctor. Firstly, this FY23, actually, we've seen a decline in your margins on a year-on-year basis. If you tell us, what's your outlook for margins going ahead now?
See, basically, what will happen in this year, as we expected in the Sunshine and as well as the Nagpur, there was some delay of the things what we have been brought in the consultants, what we have given an offer letters. They are joining, and at the high end existing consultants to send them off. In this, we were expected to resolve in Q3, but it has been prolonged into Q4. So that's where there is a little bit of dip. Then otherwise would have done much better than what the results are. But anyhow, this will be in the next 1 or 2 quarters. We'll streamline, and then we are very, very confident that what we have been planning to achieve, Sunshine and Nagpur, we are 100% sure that we will definitely achieve in the next 1 or 2 quarters. Then the improvement will show much better than what we are seeing today.
Okay, but this time if we see your ARPOB as well as your occupancy level, that has also shown a good improvement on a YOY basis. So going ahead, do you expect any further improvement in these numbers, especially when it comes to the Q1 FY24?
See, the average occupancy is better than the Q4 because Q4 is a little bit of a seasonal variations. Most of the elective patients will not come to the organization for the treatment. In Q1 looks much better, and the occupancy also will improve before the Q4.
Is there any specialty division that KIMS is planning to add on going ahead?
Other specialties we are adding both in Sunshine and as well as in Nagpur. As you know that Sunshine was basically a dominated ortho player. Nearly 50% of the revenues to come from ortho. So now we are planning to bring new therapies in this. Once we have been there in the next Q2, where we can able to get all these people on board, and whatever is the things that we are bringing in the same specialty and the new therapies in Nagpur, we are also keep boarding on them in the next quarter, this quarter and next quarter, so that will also be online.
Okay, Mr. Bhaskar Rao, just the last question. Now that we see the hospital, every company in this particular sector, when it comes to the hospitals, they are getting into the pathology space. So any such plans of KIMS entering into the pathology space going ahead? How do you see the sector?
We are actually evaluating new geographies, one in Maharashtra, and then Bangalore, as we were also telling, and they are all coming on to that. In Thane, we are looking into legal due diligence. Very shortly, we will be able to announce after entire thing has been done. All the Bangalore projects and Nasik is going on time as we planned. So then maybe we are looking for few more opportunities are coming up, and these opportunities we are evaluating very seriously, and then whenever it comes, then we'll be able to let you know. The investors.
So much, Dr. Bhaskar Rao, for joining us on the show and taking us through your numbers. That's for KIMS Hospitals.